everyone, I am Meenakshi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing one more explanatory solution of codezinger using JavaScript. Let's get started. Today's question is, we have to count array elements that divide sum of all other elements. And these are the inputs 5 and 3, 10, 4, 6, 7. These are the array's element and 5 is the length of that array because we have 5 elements here. Question describes that we have to choose numbers and we will add remaining numbers if addition of others number will divisible by that particular number, it will be count 1. For example, if we choose 3 and remaining elements is 10, 4, 6, 7. If we count 4 elements addition, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 7, 27. Is 27 divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is divisible. That's why we will consider it as a number. Here is the explanation of this question. First, we will read these inputs by read line function, which is already declared here. You will notice here A is already read here. And second, ARR is the next variable in which I am invoking read line function to read array's element. If I pass both the variables as parameter of solution function simply prints both the values of variables. By using console.log, I print A and ARR. If I call here this function in this variable, then I print res. Yes, you will notice here, this is a string, but I need array. That's why I am using split method. Split method convert every string into an array. Then, if I want to convert this string into a substrings, that is character strings, if I pass empty string here. For removing space, I am passing space in split method. To convert every character string into a number, I am using map method here, in which I am passing number data type. It will simply convert every string into number. Yes, we will write logic in solution function. First, we will consider a variable in which I am assigning every counted number in that variable. Let count is a variable in which first I assign 0 because in initial phase we have no numbers according to output. Then for accessing every element, I am using for loop here because we have to check others numbers addition. Let in this for loop, let I is the variable which is initialized by 0. This loop will run till the end of the last element, that is the length of the array. First, then for incrementing the value of I am using post increment operator here. In this for loop, first I check the addition of remaining numbers. Let sum is the variable in which I assign 0. Then the next for loop will check the remaining elements. Let's J is the variable in for loop which is also initialized by 0. It will check all the numbers till the length of the array and j will be also incremented by 1. Then in this follow, first I check that particular number or j's value is same or not. If it is same, we will skip this number. By using if conditional statement here, I check I is equal to j. Then we will skip that number by using continue keyword. Otherwise, if condition will be false, we are consider then sum of in which in some variable I stored every element of I after adding all the elements. Yes. If this condition will fulfill, that's the next condition will be, we will check sum is divisible by that number or not. For using modulus operator, we can check if sum after dividing by every element which is present of array in array that has remainder 0, we will increment the value of count, which is initial phase, which has 0. Then we will return this count, because in count we stored every element which will divide the addition of remaining elements. If I run this, yes, for checking all the test cases, yes, this is the correct code for finding the count of array's element that divides sum of all the elements. I hope this question will helpful for you. We will solve another question in another video. If you have any doubts regarding this question, you can comment in a comment section.